Are you tired of OneNote not syncing, losing crucial notes, or seeing old versions across your devices? It's so frustrating when your important information isn't where you expect it to be. Well, good news. Discover how to guarantee your OneNote data is always perfectly synced, secure, and accessible on Windows 10. You'll never have to worry about those lost notes again. All right, we're going to streamline your OneNote experience. First, we'll set up automatic sync. Then I'll reveal some essential manual tricks to ensure your notes are always updated and secure, no matter what. So let's dive into OneNote Classic. The first thing we want to do is make sure OneNote is set up to sync all by itself. To do that, go up to the File menu at the top left of your screen. Go ahead and give that a click. From there, you'll see a list of options on the left. We're looking for options at the very bottom. Click on Options. This brings up the OneNote Options dialog box. We need to navigate to the Sync tab to check our settings. So look for Sync in that left-hand column and click it. Now on this sync page, you'll see a checkbox labeled Sync Notebooks Automatically. This is super important for keeping your notes up to date in the background. Make sure this box is checked. If it's not, just click it to put a check mark in there. Having this enabled means OneNote works hard to sync your changes automatically whenever you're connected to the internet. It's the first step to truly reliable syncing, ensuring your data is always consistent across all your devices. Once that's checked, go ahead and click OK to close the options window. Now automatic sync is great, but sometimes you might be about to go offline, or you've just made some really significant edits and you want to be absolutely sure they're saved immediately. That's when manual sync comes in handy. There are two main ways to do this. The first is for a specific notebook. Let's say you just finished working on a particular project. You can go to the notebook you want to sync in the navigation pane on the left. Right-click on that notebook. You'll see a context menu pop up. Look for the option that says Sync this notebook. Give that a click. This tells OneNote to immediately push all changes from just that one notebook up to the cloud, making sure it's completely updated. The second method is for when you want to force sync all your open notebooks at once. To do this, we'll head back to the File menu again. Click on File. Then from the options on the left, select Info. On the info screen, you'll see a section called View Sync Status. This is fantastic for seeing exactly what OneNote is doing. Click View Sync Status. A new dialog box will appear, showing you the shared notebook synchronization status for all your open notebooks. It's a great overview. To force a sync for everything, simply find the Sync All button within this dialog. Click Sync All. You'll see the progress indicators next to each notebook update as OneNote works its magic. It might take a moment if you have a lot of changes. This is different from Sync this notebook, because Sync All forces every single notebook you have open to synchronize immediately, which is perfect for ensuring absolutely everything is current before you disconnect or switch devices. Once it's done, you can click Close to dismiss the dialog. Remember, regularly checking your sync status, especially after making big changes or before going offline, is a pro tip that ensures your notes are always perfectly secure and accessible. By following these official methods, you're leveraging expert guidance to prevent data loss and keep all your crucial information perfectly aligned. So to recap, you've learned how to set up automatic syncing for a worry-free experience and how to manually sync either a single notebook. Now you can confidently know that all your crucial information is perfectly synced, secure, and always accessible, no matter which device you're using. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. And if you have any questions or other OneNote tips, drop them in the comments below.